A quick inbound off the baseline underneath. The Orange go right to the rim with Trevor Cooney laying it up and in, and now it is a 3-2 game. Orange trailing 5-4. Joseph off the screen up top. Around the horn near side right. Benajay jump stop in the lane, kicks back. Joseph straight on three. Good. Caleb Joseph with just his 7th three-pointer made this season.
For now, he's taking up a bunch of space.
The hash mark far side. Michael Benajay, step back jumper. Good. Rattling it down along two for Michael. His first points of the game, 9-7 Cuse.
Syracuse will probably live with that one.
Near side right, Benajay, a three in the air, pure right down the center for Michael Benajay. Right. Joseph, wraparound feed, back to Rock, right of the lane against Anya. Christmas leans in for position, bank shot high off the window, rattles around and in for Rakeem Christmas. First field goal of the game. Left on the dribble, Christmas a screen. Joseph penetration to the right for Cooney. Quick trigger three, rattles in. Trevor Cooney's first three of the game. He's got 5 points. The Orange stretch the lead to 8, and timeout taken by Mark Gottfried of NC State. 3.5 minutes to play. Opening half action. Syracuse leads by 6. Benajay high wing left. Plays the ball to the free throw line, and Roberson. Jumper from 17. Good. Roberson's second jumper, first one he has made. NC State ball right end, leading by 11. The Wolfpack hoping for the NCAAs, and they've got Ralston Turner who's coming alive. He hits an NBA three on the left. 41-27 Wolfpack. A little bit.
Yep.
Benajay around the hedge up front, reverses Fields back to Roberson, and now Patterson left sideline. Benajay up top, three on the way. Good. Michael Benajay, second of the game. He's got 8 points. 44-30 now. The board comes down to Benajay. Hit ahead left side, a diagonal pass to Patterson. Bounces left lane for Roberson. Leans on Anya. Hard shot, good, and a foul in the bank. Roberson a shot at a three-point play. His first scoring of the half. Calling for the ball on the run. They lob to the rim. Rakeem Christmas not having that. Bats it away. Starts a 3-on-2 Syracuse break. Left side, Cooney wants three. Off the rim, no good. Batted away by Roberson. Loose ball comes back to Trevor off of Benajay's hands, and Roberson lays it home. And NC State in front, 14. It's 48-34.
If you're going to trap out front, you can't let him just split the trap.
Bounce pass down inside Christmas. Reverse layup around the rim and in. Rakeem Christmas with 10, 48-36. NC State feeling frisky now. Barber an extra step in the lane. Kicks out, extra pass. Turner a three. What do you think? Timeout Jim Boeheim with 9:59 to go. He misses off the iron. Weak side rebound for Benajay. 3-on-2. Lob right of the rim. Jam for Roberson. And he could have been sent to the line there with what could have been a foul as he was taken out from underneath. Benajay then falls off the floor into the photographers. Goes the other way, 3-on-2. Patterson, bounce pass meant for Christmas. Reeled in under the basket. Fouled as he leans back, puts it on the rim, and hangs and drops. Brock now with 11 rebounds, his 12th double-double of the season. Orange trail by 12.
I'd like to see them make a three right here, though.
Scored the last 7 points, now 9 as Tyler Roberson banks one in. So this Cuse team is going to go down swinging. Rod Patterson at the controls for the Orange. Kicks out beyond the three-point line. 19-footer Trevor Cooney right down the middle. 8 points for Cooney.
College player, unbelievable.
We'll always remember that. They said before the game he's going to grad school in England after this. Bank shot good for Rakeem Christmas off the right block. 1:38 to go. Our better friend Kevin Harlan on CBS next door didn't spend a lot of time rehearsing Doyen Akintobi Adeyeye, but the final minutes of Rakeem Christmas's career are over. He exits the floor here at NC State. What a senior season he had.